What a go on, what a go on. Welcome back to the channel cooking with Remodread. You want me there back again in the kitchen today. We're gonna make some plantain porridge. Yeah man, some wonderful plantain porridge I'm making today. So without further ado, let's start the video man. Yeah man people, today some wonderful plantain porridge you're gonna make. You see it people, yeah man, some nice and wonderful plantain porridge. So first and foremost, you're gonna peel my plantain, you see me? Yeah man people, you just peel the plantain. I mean I peel the plantain is cut off the top and the bottom, you see it? And then I cut the middle and just kind of just simple, pull it off. Click on fast on the people, you see me? Yeah man, so if you peel your plantain, you know, quick thing for you, you see it? But I make a part of some cut, but man just drag it off like that. Easy. But that way you kind of skin up your hand. If you want gloves, that much better for you, you know, you see it? Yeah man people, so we do it around here. Nice and good and wonderful plantain porridge, man. A good porridge you have sometime in the people, you see it? Yeah, man, people, you see me? So we do it around here. Yeah, man, people, you see it? Do it one more time again, you see it? Cut off the top right there, so. You see it, people? Cut off the bottom, you see it, people? Slice in the middle part, you see it, right there, so. Right all the way down, you see it? And then just put your finger there and just push it to the left or the right. See people, watch it. Easy and fast. You see, it's the fastest way to peel a banana, you know. I know there's more ways, but the way you do it, man. See the well clean up and everything, people, watch it. You see people? So we do it on here. Nice and good and wonderful. Now, I cut up my plantain and put it in the thing. And you see people? Cut up my plantain and drop it in there, you see me? Yeah man people, nice and good and wonderful. And I can blend this up and then I fling it in the pot, you see it? So this around here, nice and good and wonderful people, you see me? Yeah man people, so we do it man, you see me? Yeah man people, so we do it around here now. I go ahead and add in some coconut milk to it thing, to my blender. You see me people, nice and good and wonderful coconut milk. You see me people? Yeah man, so we do it around here. So in the meantime and between time, I put on my water to make my water hot, you see it? Yeah man people. Now back to this thing, I go ahead and add in some milk to the thing, you see it people? So nice and wonderful. So now, I go ahead and add some cinnamon, I think, you see it? You see it people? Some cinnamon. Now, I go ahead and add in some vanilla, you see it? Some vanilla people, yeah man, nice and wonderful vanilla. After me add the vanilla, I go ahead and grate some nut egg in that thing as people, you see it? Yeah man, some nice and wonderful nut egg, you see it? Such a pretty people, when it's done man, this I got to so good, you see it? Yeah man, this I got to so good. Now let's blend it up now, man. That's not good and wonderful, my people. Blend up everything together, you see it? Yeah, man. So we do it around here. Yeah, man, people. Nice and good and wonderful plantain porridge. Now, it done blend up on everything, you see it? Now we are go ahead and add it. Look on the people, look on that, man. Yeah, man. Plantain, well blend up on everything. So now let's go ahead and add it to the pot. You see, make sure the water hot. When I add it in boiling water, I will stir it the same time. I will pour it in there and stir it the same time. You see it? Yeah man people. So we eat man, nice and good and wonderful plantain porridge. Oh my god. This going to taste so good. You see me people? So we eat around here now. Nice and wonderful plantain porridge. You see me? Yeah man people. Somebody on here now. Nice and wonderful, is it? Is it? If I plantain porridge, plantain porridge is a nice porridge to have people, is it people? Yeah man. So now we are go ahead. Yeah man people. Yeah man, look on this man people. Nice and good and wonderful. Look on it now. Yeah man people. So we do it man. Lovely plantain porridge people, is it? So we do it around here, nice and good and wonderful people, isn't it? Yeah man people, now a time for me sweeten up my thing. So now I'll start out by adding some evaporated milk, you see people? Some nice and wonderful evaporated milk, you know. As some of you might think there, you know, I have to put evaporated milk, you know. Yes, I use some sugar and sweetening and everything, but I use sweetened milk, well, evaporated milk not sweet, but I use the evaporated milk and then I drop in some sweet milk and I just do it. Or you can use sugar if you want. But for me, I think with the milk it tastes more better. That's it. Yeah, man, people. It's nice and good and wonderful. You see me? Yeah, man. So now go ahead and add in my sweet, look more evaporated milk. Now add in my rest of my evaporated milk and then you can add in my sweet milk after. You see me, people? Yeah, man. Nice and good and wonderful, people. Yeah, man, people. Picture pretty, man. John know, man. Look on this porridge, people. Watch it. Backside, this shot, people. You see it? This type of taste good. Yeah, man, people. So when play around, people, I make my porridge them good in the people. So you see it, people? Yeah, man. Nice and good and wonderful. So I will finish it off now with some sweet milk. Sweeten this up now, and after this ready. This ready to drink. That's it. To pour in the milk and sweeten it at the same time. That's it. Mix it up. For some people, nice and good and wonderful sweet milk. That's it. Nice and wonderful plantain porridge. You can make some plantain porridge in the people. If you don't want me plantain porridge, you can make some banana porridge in the people. There's a lot of porridge you're making. And I one porridge I don't can make, There's a lot of options, people. That's it. Yeah, man. Nice and good and wonderful plantain porridge. That's it. Yeah, man, people, I eat this now, this nice and wonderful plantain porridge. Until next time, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell to get notified when I post another video. And most definitely drop a comment down below and what you think about this video, people. Yeah, man, people. Until next time, people, my grandma is look more. Pick up. Yeah,